Welcome to day 0. I want to explain this challenge for some that may not know what I'm doing. FPV drones, for those that may not know, are first-person view drones. You wear goggles and you have a controller and you see what the drone sees as you're flying. I do have some flight time under my belt. I feel confident enough to bring the bird up and down and not crash, but in my mind that just feels like crawling. You know what I'm saying? It's like crawling. I want to run. I want to soar in the sky, do flips and tricks and other fun stuff. I want to get better. That's where this challenge comes from. So the question is, how am I going to get it done? Right? Because as you can see, I don't know if you can see, let's check it out. There's a lot of snow outside. And I currently, with my setup, am not equipped to fly in this. My drone can't do it. So here's my idea. I want to learn 64 freestyle tricks. I have a whole list of them. Some I can sort of do, but I want to make sure I want to master them. I want to master all of them. I started learning on an FPV sim. When it's snowing like this, or when the weather's bad, or I can't get out, I'm going to be doing most of it on the sim. I use Liftoff Simulator. It's just what I have, so it's what I use. So when it comes to all 64 tricks, I have a loose process that I want to try. If it doesn't work, I'm going to change it up, but this is how I'm going to start this kind of challenge. Here are my steps. 1, watch videos on the trick, practice basic movements with the radio. Number 2, hop on the sim and start with a warm-up race. Gotta get those fingers loose. Gotta get the fingers warm, you know what I'm saying? Number 3, practice trick with goal of just finishing it. Number 4, start to practice the trick for smoothness, making sure it looks clean. You know, I feel confident to do it now. Now I'm gonna try and do it as smooth as I can. It's not choppy, it's not clunky. I can do it tight in the space. Number 5, start to practice for speed and smoothness. If I can do it quickly, efficiently, and it looks clean, then I would say I've mastered the thing. And number 6, last step, practice in real life, IRL, all right? And this one is subject to availability, like it's snowing outside, you know? I can't go out right now and do that. So that's my plan. My goal is just to become a better pilot. I mainly just want to finish the challenge. I want to see how much better I can get if I really challenge myself and commit to doing this for the whole year. So who knows, we'll see. So that's all for me. See you later and stay soaring.